Okay, so before we begin drawing our enchanted elf shoe or boot, I wanted to show you guys a few examples. And I want you to think, how might an elf shoe or boot be different than our shoes that we wear or our boots that we wear? Maybe the elf shoes have bells, pointed toes, maybe little parts that kind of roll up, buckles. There might be lots of bright colors. So think about that as you start drawing. Let's see. I'll show you how to draw a shoe, an elf shoe, and an elf boot. But you can choose any way that you want. Maybe you want to draw your shoe and add details to kind of turn it into an elf shoe. Whatever you want, it is your drawing. You get to decide. So you might want to decide which way to put your paper. If I were doing a shoe that is a little bit longer or wider, I would have my paper horizontal side to side so it will fit. If I'm doing like a really tall boot, you might want to have your paper vertical up and down to show the whole boot. So I'm going to start, and I'm actually going to draw a shoe to start with. So make sure that you write your name on the back before you begin, and your class code. Flip it over. And again, you can draw whatever shoe that you would want to draw. I'm just going to show you one way. You might have your own way. Maybe you want to take your shoe and turn it into an elf shoe, however you want to. So my shoe that I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the top, just a straight line, and it's going to curve at the end and kind of roll up. And I'm going to bring it, if you think about your heel, it kind of curves. So I'm going to kind of do that with my elf boot, or my elf shoe, sorry. So I'm just going to curve it back in, and then I'm thinking about the heel of my foot kind of curves out. And so here is part of my shoe. And then the front, I'm going to curl it, and I think I'm going to make it kind of curl at the end and curl it back around, and I'm just going to bring the line all the way to meet here. And anything you don't like, you can adjust. So I think I might fix this just a little bit. You could add bells onto it. You could add laces think about details that you might add. So I think I might add a buckle. Ooh, I'm going to add the heel first. Now, do you want to add laces, fur, bells, maybe some stitching, buckles? You kind of decide. So I think I might add, maybe these are bells. And so I'll just add little X's on the inside to make them look kind of like jingle bells. Thinking, what else could I add? Maybe there's kind of a design on the inside, curved line. When I color it, I might make the inside a little bit of a different color. Just maybe there's some fur out the top.